Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. So today we're going to be doing lesson 25, boys and girls. Okay, last Friday we did lesson 24, and today we're working on lesson 25. Okay, pay attention, learn a lot, just because I know that you guys are awesome and smart. Okay, so here we go with lesson 25. This is the objective for today's lesson. I can relate manipulative representations to a written method. Okay, so last week we learned how to work problems, subtraction problems, the vertical form with our place value chart. Let me tell you what, we're still gonna be doing the same thing. Okay, we're gonna be working problems, the vertical form, subtraction problems with our place value chart. Okay, so this is the first problem that we are gonna be working out together, boys and girls. Okay, I'm gonna give you about 30 seconds to grab paper and pencil so that you can copy the problems. Okay, 30 seconds. Once you have your materials ready, this is the first problem that we're gonna be working out together. 175 minus 56. Okay, so today we're going to use place value discs to help us solve problems in vertical form when the numbers are larger. Okay, so this is the problem that we're gonna be working out. I'm gonna give you about 30 seconds, okay, to write down the problem, the vertical form, with our place value chart. Okay, go ahead and do that. 30 seconds to write the problem, the vertical form, with our place value chart. So this is what you should have, boys and girls: the problem, the vertical form, with our place value chart. Don't forget, when we subtract, we are detectives. Okay, we're putting the magnifying glass around our whole, boys and girls, just because we want to take our job very seriously, right? So the job as a detective in math, we want to take that job very seriously, and once we put that magnifying glass, that means we're ready to go, we're ready to target the problem. Don't forget, another more thing to remind. Okay, so when we subtract, we only put our whole in our place value chart, right? Because that's the number we're subtracting from. So 175, it is the number that we only put in our place value chart. So I already have it for you here, boys and girls. So 100, I have it right here. 7 tenths, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put an extra. Let me just erase it real quick. Okay, 75. There you go. 100, 7 tenths, 5 ones. Once, boys and girls, that we have the model that represents our whole, the first problem is to read the problem for the ones. Okay, so this is the ones. 5 minus 6. I have 5 apples, boys and girls. I want to give 6 apples away. Can we give 6 apples away if we only have 5? Think big. No, the answer is no. We cannot give 6 apples away if you only have 5. So that means we unbundle from the tens. What do we do, boys and girls? Yes, we unbundle from the 10. So that means we're gonna cross out a 10. Let me change color. I want it blue. So I want to cross out this one right here, and we're gonna decompose. Okay, and we want to make 10 ones. Okay, so we can have enough to subtract. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, boys and girls, let me put a little arrow just in case we need it. Okay, here we go. So we unbundle from the tens to make 10 ones. Now, boys and girls, that we unbundle, we're gonna have to rewrite. Okay, this is something that you should know by now. We're gonna rewrite. We're gonna put the new numbers that we need to have in order for us to unbundle. So 100 stays the same. This one didn't change. Ooh, we unbundle from the 10 to the 1. So that means we're gonna cross out 7 tens, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, boys and girls. Okay, 5 ones. I don't have 5 ones anymore. Let's count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that 5, boys and girls, is now gonna be a 15. Okay? Now we have 15 minus 6. Ooh, now I can subtract, right? So I'm gonna cross out 6 from the 15. Let me change color real quick. Let me get black. Let's cross out 6. 1, sorry. Let's slash out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see how many we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know that 15 minus 6 equals 9, boys and girls. Okay? And if we count the little circles, we know that we're gonna have 9, right? Let me write it down. Sorry guys, I'm using my laptop and the mouse is not helping me out. So there you go, 9. Awesome. Now we have 6 apples. We want to give 5 apples. Can we do that? Yes, we can. I have enough. So that means we're going to cross out 5 apples from the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 5 equals 1. And guess what, boys and girls? I have 1 left over here. So I put it right here. 100 comes down. Okay. So my answer for 175 minus 56 is 119. Okay. Super easy to work, boys and girls. Ready for the next problem that we're going to be working out, boys and girls? Here I go. The next problem that we're working out, it is 115 minus 56. I'm going to give about 15 seconds to copy that problem down. 115 minus 56. So this time you're going to solve it with me. What do I do? You do. So what I do, you guys are going to have to do it just the same as the first one. Write it down. 115 minus 56. 30 seconds to write it down. Here we go. This is what you should have in your paper. 115 minus 56. Don't forget, when we subtract, we are detectives. So we always have to put a magnifying glass around our whole, boys and girls. Just because we want to take our job very seriously, right? And we want to get 100. So here we go. Don't forget, when we subtract, we only put our whole in our place value chart. So that means that the number that we just put in here is the one that we're putting the magnifying glass, right? So 100, here we go. I have 100, 110, and 5 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. So I already have the model that represents the whole. Don't forget, my first step is to read the problem for the ones. Let's read the problem for the ones. Ready? Go. 5 minus 6. I have 5 apples. I want to give 6 apples away. Can we do that? No, we can't, right? We cannot give 6 if we only have 5. So that means we unbundle from the tens. What do? Yes, we unbundle from the tens, boys and girls. So I'm gonna cross this out. Okay, sorry for my line. So that 10, I crossed it out already. And that 10 is now 10 ones. Cut with me, 10 ones. I want to change color. Ready? Come with me. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 10 ones. Now that I unbundle, don't forget we have to come back to our problem and we rewrite, right? We rewrite the numbers that we unbundle. So here we go. Let me get my brush. So 100, we didn't touch it, so that I don't touch that one. Ooh, look at that. The 110. 110 is now, I don't have nothing here, right? So it's 0 tens, right? 5 ones is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 ones is now a 15. Okay? Now, let's read the new problem for the ones. Together, ready? Go. 15 minus 6. So the 15 ones that we have, we're going to cross out 6. Okay? Let's cross out 6. Or slash them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's 15 minus 6? Let's see how many little circles we didn't cross out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know that 15 minus 6 equals 9, boys and girls. Okay? I want to put that number over here too because we know that we have 9 ones after we cross out 6. 9. Okay? Now, look at the new problem for the tens. Let's read it. Ready? Go. 0 minus 5. Ooh, I have 0 apples. I want to give 5 apples away. Can we give 5 apples away if we don't have no apples? Impossible. We cannot subtract 0 minus 5. So that means, boys and girls, we unbundle from the hundreds. What do? Yes, we unbundle from the hundreds, boys and girls. So let me cross out this little 100 and make it 10 tens, right? So let me make a line. Let me put the little arrow. Okay, and let's count 10 tens. Ready? Go. Sorry. Here we go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I'm bundle. I have to rewrite my number again. Every time we, boys and girls, unbundle, we have to come back to the problem and rewrite it, boys and girls. So 100, it's now 0 hundreds because I already crossed it out. 0 tens is now 10 tens. Okay? 10 tens. So I'm putting a 1, so it's now a 10. Now, let's read the new problem for the tens. Ready? 10 minus 5. Ooh, now I can subtract. 10 minus 5. Let's cross out 5. Ready? Or slash out 5. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that 10 minus 5 equals, super easy, right? 5. And if we count the circles on the tens that we have left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, guys. There you go. 0 does not come down, boys and girls. Okay, so we leave it like that. So our answer for 115 minus 56 equals 59. Okay, so that's it for today, boys and girls. Just continue practicing your problems the subtraction way using the place value chart, and we're gonna be good to go. Okay, continue practicing, continue making me proud. Have an amazing, boys and girls, Monday. I'm gonna be putting an exit ticket so that you guys can do as well with your work. Okay, exit ticket, I'm gonna be checking it, so please do your best. Bye guys, love you all.